Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Siesta Coleman here. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I would love you guys to join our YouTube family. But without further ado, we are just going to clean our kitchen really quickly before we jump into showcasing how we decorated our home for this Christmas. And yes, I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December ends, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. Merry Christmas, baby.
So here's the outside of our home. We decided to put up some Christmas light this year. We went ahead and paid somebody to come out and put up the Christmas light. I was telling my husband me and him can do it, but he was like, girl, we gonna be falling off the roof. And yeah, to avoid any medical costs and us being injured, we went ahead and paid somebody to come out, and we chose the warm lights and red, so two red and two white. We thought that would look good, so we went ahead and did that. We changed out the light bulbs in front of our garage to green and red. And this minion, we had it for a couple years when we were stationed in California. We had that, and whatever Christmas lights we had from previous years, we put on these trees and just two reindeers. So we kept it simple. And when we walk into our house, on our door, we had a Christmas wreath on it, and then our ho ho sign on the bottom. And as soon as you go in, I have this vase with some pampas grass. I think that's what it is. Correct me if I'm wrong. But, and a small white Christmas tree. And then I will let you guys enjoy the walkthrough. And you guys, again, if you guys are not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing and join the family. That will really help me out. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. And you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like the decoration and how it turned out. Love y'all.